Hello everyone, my name is Chez and welcome. Today I want to talk about why I bought the Nikon Z6 without the 24-70 f4 kit lens. Now there's nothing that I want more than a native lens made for the Z mount, but Nikon is really expensive. For an example, the body of the Z6 in the States is $19.99. Here in Canada, it's $25.99. That's insane. That's $600 that I could be putting towards glass. But because of this factor, I have to watch how I spend my money because quite frankly, I just didn't want to spend that on the f4. So what lenses do they have now that I could potentially get? They have the 35mm 1.8. For a prime lens, I just don't see that as something that I would really want. They have the 50 1.8. That's something that I could want, but I already have that already with the FTZ adapter. And of course they have the 24-70 f4, but quite frankly, I think the 2.8 is the ideal choice in that situation. So let's take a look at the choices that we have in the near future, and let's see which ones that I may look at. So I usually have one rule when buying photography gear. I only buy one lens per year. So which lenses are coming in 2019? We have the 58.95, the 20 1.8, 85 1.8, the 24-70 2.8, the 70-200 2.8, and the 14-30 f4. Now I already have the f-mount versions 20, 85, and 24-70. So let's just drop those for a moment. Now I've always wanted a 70-200, so that's a strong possibility. The 58.95, I think it's just gonna be a little bit too rich for my blood, so I'm just gonna skip that one altogether, even though I do like prime lenses. And the 14-30 f4, it could be a lens that I could want, but I know that they're coming out with the 14-24 in 2020, so I think I'll wait for that version in particular. So what are my two top choices? Well, it would be the 70-200 and the 24-70 2.8. Now, I know what you're thinking. I already have the 24-70 in the f-mount version, but the thing is, with the FTZ adapter, I just find it too damn long. So those would be my two choices. Now, as much as I like Nikon glass, money is a big concern for me. I'm just a regular guy, just like you. So I may be considering getting a Sigma or Tamron piece of glass as well. But we'll keep that video for another day. So let me know in the comments below which lens you are looking for, and if you're considering getting a Tamron or Sigma piece of glass as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, it'll help grow my channel, and I'll talk to you next time. Do it.